Hello and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn about school. Come inside my school. Let's first learn words for a room. Listen and say. Door, door. Floor, floor. Window, window. Wall, wall. Great job. Now, come inside one of the classrooms. Let's learn words about things you find in the classroom. Listen and say. Crayons, crayons. Paper, paper. Pen, pen. Pencils, pencils. Poster, poster. Rubber, rubber. Ruler, ruler. Now, let's have a look inside another classroom. Let's learn more words about things you find in the classroom. Listen and say. Board, board. Bookcase, bookcase. Chair, chair. Cupboard, cupboard. Desk, desk. Table, table. Great listening and speaking. Now, look at the things that you find in the classroom. Say where they are. Here's an example. Some pencils. There are some pencils on the table. Answer the questions. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? What is on the table? Some crayons. There are some crayons on the table. What is on the table? Some paper. There is some paper on the table. Now, answer some more questions. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? What is in front of the bookcase? A table. There is a table in front of the bookcase. What is on the floor? A ruler. There is a ruler on the floor. What is under the table? A pen. There is a pen under the table. Great job. Now, let's find out what's on the wall. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? A poster. There is a poster on the wall. A board. There is a board on the wall. Awesome! Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or check out our website esleschool.com.